Hi, Patriots. This is Heather McGuigan. I wanted to send out a message and kind of explain what I've observed and what I'm seeing in regards to the Marlena case, Marlena's Bistro in Holland. I attended the rally today. I'm from Livonia, Michigan, so other side of Michigan. And I've also been familiarizing myself with constitutional law and what that really means. And I'm seeing a lot of people throwing Rick Martin under the bus. I saw that attorney that everybody's uh, rallying around, that McHenry woman, who also threw Rick Martin under the bus. And I think it's important for you to understand um, the the legal jurisdictions and the jurisprudence and the violations that have actually occurred and what the law actually is before we start to, uh, criticize anybody, especially, at this rally today. I didn't hear any calls for action against the kidnapping of Marlena from her county, which is Agnes County or Ottawa County, to Ingham County, where she was basically thrown in a tower, completely against the law. I have not seen any of these supposed political representatives that are rallying all of us around on Facebook, that Garrett Saldano or this Kelly McHenry or any of these fools really acknowledging what Rick Martin is about, which is uh, what happened in the courtroom yesterday was completely illegal. It was completely fraudulent and it was pure evil. Here's what the judge wanted. The judge wanted Marlena to admit that she had jurisdiction over Marlena. This is the the crux. This is um, the whole grift of our court system. They want us to be subjugated to them. That's why they call us citizens. That's why they call us taxpayers. That's why they think they can have authority. And once you start to open your eyes to the reality of who owns your rights, you will see that none of these bar attorneys will work in your best interest. The attorneys, the judges, the courts, they are all under the same umbrella of the Bar Association, and they are not here to serve you. And that judge yesterday would not even let Marlena speak. And you know why? Because she was going to not answer the questions of the judge, because she doesn't have to respond in a diminutive and subservient manner. She was going to assert her sovereignty, her status. Look up affidavit of status. We do not have to follow any of these mandates. These laws, even these state laws, they're fucking trash. They're shit. They're garbage. They mean nothing. And that judge didn't want Marlena to get her status on the record. So she yelled over her. She screamed over her. And Rick Martin is using the word attorney. He is a legal advisor and a counsel. We have a right to any assistance of counsel. Does not have to be appointed by the court, does not have to be a member of the bar. These are the lies that Kelly McHenry won't tell you, that Garrett Saldano won't tell you, that none of these grifters that are benefiting from the system, because the attorneys are very expensive, and Garrett wants to win, he wants to become the king of the courts. And I'm here to tell you that their courts are trash, and we don't have to follow their laws, and we don't have to go through their weirdo trips. You are a sovereign man. You are a sovereign woman. Your authority is God. The law is do no harm. And unless you can face your accuser in court, which the state is not an accuser. The Department of Health is not an accuser. Those are false entities. They are fictions. Unless you can face your accuser in court, there is no harm, and there is no case, and there is no crime. And this is what constitutional common law representation is about. And that judge did not want any of that to get on the record, because there are certain ways to deal with these crooked judges. What that judge did today, yesterday, is a fucking crime. What those bailiffs are doing, pulling him in, Rick, into jail, is a crime. All of those people, the state police, they are all criminals. And we as citizens have a duty and a right to file grievances against every single one of them by name, because we can take claim against them. They have committed crimes. So get yourself on the internet, start looking up Alphonse Fagiolo's YouTube pages. Get yourself informed, and you reach out to me. I will send you tons of links. But they wanted to subjugate her. Marlena doesn't want an attorney. She doesn't want to be represented by anyone. She is herself. See, this is all part of their fictitious land they live in, where people can represent themselves. No, you don't represent yourself. You are a sovereign man and woman under God. This is the Great Awakening.